70's section. Finally, I've been wanting this one for many, many years.
Wouldn't it be fun if you could play that?
This is right outside our room. It's awesome.
It is so cool.
This is ours, 6140. So, try it for the first time, and we're in. We are at our room, and I love Pop Century. I love the style. I love everything about it. So I'm gonna show you our room. And ignore my frizzy hair, because I just got back from Epcot, and it was really humid and rainy today. We already brought some of our stuff in, and I recommend order from Amazon and get stuff delivered. This costs $4. A lot cheaper than in the park. So first you have the bed, which I love. Got the classic Mickey, and I love it. It's a mix of retro and mid-century, which I guess would fall under retro. USB plugs as well as regular plugs. One thing I love about the resort, you get so much extra storage compared to others. You got the sink and these wonderful mirrors. You have the bathroom, and with this right now you get the pumps. So usually you get the bottles, they're switching over though to these. Just a regular bathroom. I do like everything says clean. There's a little sticker and plastic on it, so that's really nice with the times and everything right now. Got a little place to hang some stuff. Nice size TV. I love that style. It's so pretty. And you have more places to charge stuff. And also this, the remote is in plastic. It says cleaned. Enhanced cleaning. So it's nice. Good job, Disney. Another thing I love about this resort is you get a coffee maker. Most resorts you don't get that. The cheaper ones you don't. Pop Century is pretty cheap. You get a coffee maker. And you get a little fridge. And then you've got the sitting area, which also turns into a really cool bed, and I'll pull that out. So let's see if I can get this down on my own. You have this adorable second bed with Pluto. And of course over here you have another nightstand with more chargers. So many chargers in this room. So this is cute. I'm gonna put this back up because we're probably not gonna use it, but I had to show it. Another thing that's pretty cool, so in other cheaper resorts you get the curtain that closes right here for the bathroom, and it doesn't really keep much sound out. Here you actually have a little door, little sliding door. So it's a little better. This is the view from our room in the 70's section. Over there's Art of Animation. Then we got the path, and Skyliners are right over there. It's really nice. We are in 6140, and I really recommend this area. It's a quick walk to everything. So now with everything going on, you have to mobile order your food. It's kind of easier. It doesn't get too busy over here. You just pick it up. And then for drinks, they hand you stuff. So no refillable cups.